In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Shein with GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident completing a purchase smoothly and securely. Start by opening the Shein app and logging into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that both the Shein app and your GCash app are up to date. It also helps to have enough balance in GCash before you begin, so you don't run into payment errors later. Browse the store and add the items you want to your cart. When you're ready, tap the cart icon to review everything. Check sizes, colors, quantities, shipping options, and the estimated total. If everything looks good, tap Checkout to move forward. On the checkout page, enter your delivery details carefully. Type in your complete address, your full name, and a reachable contact number. Accurate information here ensures your package can be delivered without delays. Take a moment to confirm your region and postal code are correct. Next, go to the Payment Method section and select GCash. This links your order to your GCash wallet for a quick and cashless payment. Confirm that the order summary, shipping fee, and total amount are exactly what you expect. When you're ready, tap Place Order. Shein will then redirect you to GCash. In many cases, you'll see the GCash login screen within the browser or in-app window. Log into GCash and enter your MPIN when prompted. Depending on your security settings, you may also receive a one-time password. Enter it promptly to avoid timeouts. Keep your MPIN and OTP private at all times and never share them with anyone. After logging in, review the payment details again. Ensure the merchant name and total amount match your order. Then tap Pay to authorize the transaction. If you prefer or are prompted to use a QR option, tap the QR code on the Shein payment screen and complete the payment through your GCash app by scanning and confirming the same amount. The goal is the same: authenticate and approve the exact total. Now, wait for payment confirmation. Don't close the app while it's processing. You should see a success message from GCash, followed by a confirmation back on Shein with your order details. If you don't see confirmation right away, give it a moment and check your GCash transaction history. Once confirmed, you can view your order in the Shein app and track it from the Orders section. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Happy shopping and enjoy your Shein purchase paid with GCash.